Hello po, ako po si Julian Ward. Naka-work ko po si Lola ko nung 12 to 13 years old po ako. Tapos we worked together for a few years. We would see each other every weekend. And ako po, sobrang grateful ko na na-meet ko po si Lola Glo kasi she taught me how to be professional. She taught me how to love my craft. Alam niyo po, every weekend, kakwentuhan niya po ako tungkol sa buhay niya nung dalaga pa po siya, nung bata pa siya. She would tell me na dati po ang mga artista, they're not so accepted. Na yung mga artista po, hindi sobrang binavalue nung time niya, hindi sobrang nire-respeto, but she still persevered. She would tell me na parang even like some fashion designers wouldn't accept artistas nung time po niya, but she didn't care because she loved her job. She loved doing her job. Kinukwento niya po sa akin na parang ilang piso lang po yung sahod niya every taping day. But she just loved what she was doing and na-inspire po ako doon. And she would tell me her struggles nung as in baby pa po siya. She would show me her wedding photos na tinitingnan sa isang wooden box. And she was so happy telling me about her life. And alam niyo po, aside from her being an actress, a phenomenal actress, nakita ko po yung just her being human. Kahit sobrang sikat niyang artista. Nung una ko po siyang na-meet, kinakabahan pa ako na nasa starstruck ako kasi she's Gloria Romero. Pero nung nakausap ko na po siya, she would ask me how I'm doing, bigyan niya po ako ng advices, tapos kahit nung di na po kayo magka-work, tinatawag niya po ako ganun. And sobrang special po sa akin kasi nagkaroon ng time din na my real-life grandma was not okay and hindi po kami gamit nakakapag-usap, but she stood as my grandmother. And I'm just so grateful to have met her, and I'm so grateful na nagkaroon ako ng Lola Glo. Actually, noong una po tawag ko pa sa kanya, Tita Glo. Ayaw niya po, gusto niya Lola ko daw siya. And never ko makakalimutan si Lola Glo because lagi ko sinasabi na hanggang sa pagtanda ko, I want to grow up to be like Gloria Romero. And there will never be another Gloria Romero, but I pray that we would all remember her legacy and respect what she has done to the industry, and not just the industry, pati po sa lives ng mga taong nakilala niya. And I love you, Lola. Sorry po, nakabahan ako. Sorry po. Ayun lang. Let us never forget the Lola Gloria Romero. Ayun po. Sorry.